Hey guys, it's been Antiquities. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the fourth entry into the Nightmare Before Christmas swap that we're doing, this group swap. So this one is from Gloria Smith, and she has written down some of her faves here, and then she has her address at the bottom. So that's pretty cute. I love the way she did her little tags here. So she sent in 3, so I'm going to try to open this one and do it very carefully so I can put it back together for you guys. So we'll see what I'll show you what she sent. And I will be sending these off as soon as the last one gets here. Today, I think today is the 8th, I believe. Today is the 9th. So hers should be coming very soon. She just kind of misread the instructions and only sent one. But she is she made up some more and she's sending those right away. And as soon as hers get here, then I'll be packaging these up and sending them off. I was a little bit delayed in doing some of the videos because I did get that vintage secretary desk, and was working on reorganizing my studio and making more room. So now I actually have places to set things. So, so she has created this cute little sequins mix, and it has all the cute little bubbles. Oh, and she's got a little frog's breath on there. Very cute. Love that little jingle bell is adorable. Super, super cute. Very cute. So yes, very cute mix. Got a lot of really festive. She did a great job on that. Really cute. Really cute. Okay, and then she's got this tag here. Very cute embellishment. She's got all the little layers and stuff on there. She did a great job on that. I love that it has kind of like brought in some of Sally's colors with the pink and the blue. And then she's got Jack on there. Very cute little tag. That's perfect. I love the little bag that you've got there. Very cute. So here is her bag topper. I got Oogie Boogie Man. I love that layered up. I love how everyone is using their Christmas and Halloween stuff, just kind of combining it. And it's just a really fun way to embrace that movie. Very cute little bag that it comes with. Super cute. Very cute. And then she's got this really cute little pillow box. Oh, she's decorated the front of it. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Well, she's cut out the snowflake in purple and green. Very cool. So right here she's got her her little candy cane made out of beads. Very cool beads. Love those beads. Those are so cool. And the purple. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. The little purple jingle bell jack-o'-lantern. I've not seen purple ones before. That's very, very cute. So love the little Santa hat in there. That's a cute little bead. Great beads. Great combination of things. So hers are all packaged down in there. All right, so okay, thank you so much, Gloria, for joining our swap. I'm going to repackage this one so that it can be placed in the swap. Stick this back in there, and I will be doing some more videos and opening the other boxes in just a little bit, and we'll get these all caught up. And as soon as that last one comes in, I'll do that video, and then I'll send them all out as fast as possible. So those are going to go out priority mail, so you should be able to get them before Christmas. We'll just cross our fingers. The mail has already been slow. There were entries that came in several days past the deadline, even though they were sent out in plenty of time. So we're just giving that last person a chance to get caught up, and then we'll be all caught up and enjoying our swap. So thank you guys so much for watching and for joining the swap. It's been so much fun. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.